What does the latest BBC News report say about the Ukraine war drone attacks? The newest details reveal shocking shifts in drone tactics and escalating impacts you need to know now. The latest BBC News report highlights a significant escalation in drone attacks in the Ukraine war. Both Ukrainian forces and Russian-backed groups are using more drones with enhanced capabilities. These unmanned systems now carry out more frequent strikes, surveillance, and even kamikaze-style missions. This intensification marks a shift in the conflict, where drones are becoming key tools for gathering intelligence and targeting enemy positions with precision. BBC's report reveals surprising tactical innovations in drone warfare. Ukrainian forces are experimenting with swarm tactics, using multiple drones to overwhelm air defenses simultaneously. Additionally, electronic warfare techniques disrupt enemy drone control and communication systems. These methods not only increase attack success, but also force the opposing side to adapt rapidly, creating a constantly evolving battlefield environment. The report also draws attention to the growing impact of drone attacks on civilian populations. As drones strike deeper into contested regions, infrastructure like power grids, bridges, and homes suffer damage. This increases civilian casualties and disruption of daily life. The BBC emphasizes the urgent humanitarian concerns and calls for greater protections as drone warfare shapes the conflict's human cost. The latest BBC News report exposes how drone warfare is reshaping the Ukraine conflict with new tactics and rising impacts. Understanding these developments helps you see the future of modern warfare. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had, and stay informed with us.